So these things are starting to become like leaves in the fall, just floating around everywhere. I'll grab one when I see one that's interesting. I mean, some of these have some interesting little display panels in them. And I mean, they're free to strip, so I think some of these even have a touch panel on them. So I saw this one today, grabbed it. And it's because I think it's got a display in it. Unlike this one, which I believe are the little LED segment types of things. So let's rip this open and see what we got. See if it's anything worth having. Sometimes you gotta get a little creative with these guys. Not sure that's gonna be the way. That got something off of there. I think some of this something on here will slide down. I still think this tab is holding this up. Yeah, let's look at the screwdriver. It doesn't want to let go. Boy, he's really fighting. I can't say that they're often that tight. I'm just not getting the right thing on it. See that? Really put this thing together. There we go. See how this has got a nice little display in it? It's interesting. Now, if you're really curious, these boards actually have everything on them that you need. Yeah, I should have left the power on for a second. There's our little sensor. Now, does this have a little switch on it too? No, I don't think so. Sometimes they've got a little mechanical switch on it. But somewhere on here is this display driver. And probably a NAND chip. Oops. Okay, so you got a couple LEDs up in there. They're decent size. This little display I find pretty cute. We're going to harvest that. And we'll look for the driver around here. And we'll see if we can incorporate it into one of our projects. Pretty cool. So when you see them laying around, like, subscribe. See you next time.